All right, this is O14HW7, finding slope of a given line. Your goal is to find the slope of the line through each pair of points. So problem number 1. We have 19, 15 is our first coordinate, and our second coordinate is 4, 1, where our x1 is 19, our y1 is 15, our x2 is 4, and our y2 is 1. Now we're going to use the slope formula that's been given to us in class, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we're going to plug these numbers into the appropriate locations. So m equals, well, y2 is 1, so we put a 1 in, minus y1, which is 15, so we have 1 minus 15, divided by x2, which is 4, minus 19, which is our x1. Now 1 minus 15 is negative 14. 4 minus 19 gets you negative 15. So we have negative 14 divided by negative 15. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so we simplify it and make it a positive. So our slope is 14 divided by 15, which is B. Number 2. Our x1 is negative 16, our y1's 19, our x2 is 17, and our y2 is negative 2. We use our slope formula once again. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We substitute those values in. y2 is negative 2, so we put a negative 2 in, minus our y1, which is 19, divided by x2 of 17, minus a negative 16, because that's x1. x1 is negative 16. So it's 17 minus a negative 16. We combine like terms. Negative 2 minus 19 gets you negative 21. 17 minus a negative 16 gets you 33. So our slope is negative 21 divided by 33. Now both 21 and 33, they're divisible by 3. So negative 21 divided by 3 gets you negative 7. 33 divided by 3 gets you 11. The reason why we divided by was just to simplify this fraction to make it smaller. So you have to remember how to simplify fractions to get the answer of negative 711. Negative 711. That would be B, because 7's on top. Problem number 3. We have negative 6 comma negative 17 and 1 15. Negative 6 is our x1. Negative 17 is our y1. Our x2 is 1. Our y2 is 15. We use our slope formula because our goal is to find the slope. We plug them in. y2 is 15 minus my y1, which is negative 17. This right here, that is my y1, negative 17. So you have y2 of 15 minus my y1 of negative 17 divided by x2 of 1 minus my x1, which is negative 6. 15 minus a minus gets you plus 17, so 15 plus 17 is 32. 1 plus 6 gets you 7, so our slope is 32 over 7. Our last problem, x1 is negative 1, negative 10 is y1, x2 is 8, and y2 is 17. Here's our slope formula. Our goal is to find the slope, so we plug them in. y2 of 17 minus my y1 of negative 10. So 17 minus a negative 10, which gets us 27. And then 8 minus a negative 12, because 8 minus the negative 12 gets you 20. So we have 27 over 20. And that doesn't simplify any further, so we have 27 over 20. It's your job now to complete the rest of them, all on your own. If you have any questions, come to Extra Help or ask me during class. All right, have a good night.